Welcome back guys to another video. In this video we are going to look at the stock Peloton, PTON. We are going to look at the stock is a buy or a sell or a hold. It was added to the tracker on mid-June and since then it's rallied almost 30% and looks like it's having a consolidation. So let's look at the chart whether it's offering any secondary entry point at this level or not. And I will also share some word of wisdom or something like that in the end of the video. So let's get started. So before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. All the information are recorded there. And please check out our social media sites. We are everywhere. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on several stocks in coming days and weeks. As you see in the tracker, this stock has added to the tracker on 6/18 when it was trading around $51.08. As of today, it closed well over $64 and it posting almost 25% gains since then. And the stop loss was 46.99, which was never in question. So let's look at the chart before we come back to the secondary entry point. So this stock has added to the tracker when it has cleared the consolidation on 619 or 618. That's where you're looking at it, and since then it's rallied almost 29% gain. And you are looking at the weekly chart of Peloton because I like the weekly settings because it reduces a lot of noise. And the two indicators that I follow is the 10-week moving average and 50-week moving average. Those are the only indicators I follow. And so this stock is now consolidating for last 3 weeks. It's went up and the last week it's almost gave up almost all the gains, but as of this week it's coming back, so it looks like it's making a quick consolidation. So I believe this is now offering a secondary entry point at this price level. So the secondary entry point is around 64.14, which was yesterday closing, and the maximum price would be 67.35, which is 5% from your minimum entry point, and the stop loss is at 59. So when you are looking at a secondary entry point, you have to be very careful. The stock might react, so please keep a close eye on the stop loss. If anytime it hits the 59.01, just close the position and move on. So let's look at a couple of calls for this guy. So we are looking at a couple of calls for this guys. I believe that the call at October 20, which is $70, which is almost another 10 to 20% or 10% or so, is just like achievable, I believe. So this is going to be the call. You can look at it, or you can look at several calls, but around 70 looks a little bit attractive. So you can take a look at it when you get a chance. So let's look at its option calculator. So you may want to look at October or beyond for this stock to give some room for the stock to run. Here is the option projector for you. It's give you some very high level view. You are looking at like 725 is your risk price, and the break even should be 77.25, which is like not that bad. It's like you are looking at $10 move. The stock like this one, which is really possible in the next couple of months. So something you can take a look at it and you can play around it, and you can consider calls for October and beyond. That's my take. As I said before, here is a quick word of wisdom for you from Jesse Livermore. So speculation is not just anticipating the future movements. So you just form an opinion, and if the market backs your opinion, you stay tight. If it does not, cut your losses short and move on. So you have to look at your speculation as a business, not a gambling. So as like any business, cut your losses short and let the profit run. So that's about it. So it's a quick word of wisdom for you, and I believe Peloton is a buy. It's offering a secondary entry point. So let's see how this behaves in coming days and week. I'll put the tracker in the description section so you can look at it day in and day out. Thanks guys for watching this quick video. Please check out our website. All the information is out there. Please join our social media sites. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming days and week. And have a happy trading day.